Hey everyone, if you want to protect an Excel sheet in 2026 and prevent others from changing your data, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to secure your worksheet step by step. First, open the Excel workbook that contains the sheet you want to protect. Make sure you've finished editing before applying protection. Next, click on the Review tab at the top of Excel. Yeah, this section contains all worksheet protection options. Now click Protect Sheet. This feature allows you to restrict changes to the worksheet. If you want extra security, enter a password. So only people with the password will be able to remove the protection. Next, choose what users are allowed to do. You can allow them to select cells, sort data, or insert rows while still protecting important information. Click OK and enter the password again to confirm it. Yeah, this helps prevent typing mistakes. Now try editing a protected cell. Excel should display a message saying the sheet is protected. Save your workbook to make sure the protection settings are applied permanently. Unsaved changes may be lost. If you need to edit the sheet again, go back to the Review tab and click Unprotect Sheet, so you'll need the password if one was set. For additional security, you can also protect the entire workbook structure. Yeah, this prevents sheets from being added, deleted, or renamed, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to protect an Excel sheet in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.